I've known him since he was a teenager, selling boom boxes on the back of a store truck. You know? He's a great human mind. Watch him.